Hi again, it's Mark from the Center for Pain and Stress Research, and today we're going to show you a short protocol for the treatment of sleep apnea and snoring. And to do that, we're going to connect two acupuncture points on the ankle to one on the wrist. We're going to use negative polarity. The first point we're going to find is bladder 62. It's just on the distal aspect, the bottom, the underside of the lateral malleolus, right in front of the peroneal tendon. So you can hear that. It's right there. Kidney 6 is located just under the medial malleolus on the other side, between two tendons, between Tom and Dick. And therapists will remember that those two names are used to help us remember tibialis posterior and flexor digitorum. And we treat those 2 points on negative. So kidney 6 is about a half kun or a quarter inch below the medial malleolus. Between those two tendons, you'll feel a little groove there. We treat those two on negative for 30 seconds. And then we just need 1 unit to treat heart 7, which is on the wrist, where the flexor carpi ulnaris tendon meets between the two wrist creases. So right there, heart 7, 3 famous points. Heart 7 is also known as Shen Man or spirit gate. And that's it. Tonifying some muscles around the throat and neck can help with more serious cases, but those 3 points alone should get you off to a good start. So try that out and let us know how you do. Sweet dreams.